Patience is something every day that I'm working on. I get a little antsy, get a little excited. I started this journey years ago, and to be this close and to not be open, it's difficult. This is our restaurant. This is Horn Barbecue. We used to do our pop-ups not too far from here. The area has a lot of history, but it just naturally made sense. This restaurant is for everyone. Above the door, we're gonna put, all is welcome. And what that means to us is that no matter where you come from, race, ethnicity, whatever the case may be, no matter who you are, everyone is come and welcomed with love and be able to enjoy our love of craft. Countless hours of just, working to try to develop my product. Made In is just the perfect relationship. I love Made In. I love what Made In represents. With the product, you could tell that there's extreme craftsmanship. There's an obsession with developing the craft. That's something that I feel like aligns with Horn Barbecue as well. In order to have great products, you need to have extraordinary tools, and Made In offers that, so it's a natural fit. It's extremely important for us to have the right tools to be able to execute our products. Probably one of the most important things next to where we source our product. This place is a dream that's finally coming to fruition, something we've been working towards. It's gonna happen.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, it's the first
lighting of the stove.
first lighting of the stove.